Welcome back to my channel!
Thank you. Well, I tell him. You always want to confuse everything.
There must be something going on in Bahrain because these guys. Oh, we're in Bahrain now. Yes. Wow.
We're trying.
Go ahead, business. Wow.
Yes. Welcome. Yes.
Diri kami matulog, boga ano gigo. Abaw, ginabidyo ko bala ikinanglan di percent sa Mayo ha. Amo na. Ay. May bed man di oh. Nice oh. Nice ano. This is the one I saw in the video. Yeah. On the other side. Saan? Oo, lalaki. Ay, ito din oh. Jota. Diri ko no kami masti. Kami ni Clarice ug nanay. Ako lang sa extra bed ya. Hala, grabe yung view di ho. Oo, madugang ko no. Ako sa dug. Ito yung hagdan pababa. Yan si Madam Mimi. Oo. I-push mo lang, mag-automatic siya. Video ano mo? Dito sa kabila siguro na. Yan. O, dito ha. Grabe siya. State of the art. Tapos ang views. Nakita ko na sa table yun kanina eh. Parang mag-GS ko. Dapat talaga kanya na sa tuto yung sabi na ano.
Apology, look at me. I'm wearing melon.
Ito yung akin. Order ako.
This morning you saw me. I cook for them for the breakfast.
Oh, very lucky.
Yeah.
But understand my yeah. So because you only are going to pay for the visa coming here. Oh, Paris prepared for something for you. That ang sagot ko pa. One or day of five. Then of the purpose of the low five is for you to take down those. There should be food, just like Mama was so much standing by. It was food, but unfortunately he lost it at the same time. But he was able to find. And then my confidence and
Why always Sir James? Is that a wine?
buy. So of course you should be the one to have this one for Okay, now we're ready. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Sir, what do you have there on your plate?
Actually, I have prawn and I'm still waiting for more.
Wow.
Yeah. What can you say?
Yeah, this is a seafood and not only seafood, barbecue. Barbecue unlimited.
Special live cooking just
Yeah.
for us, just for the Salad Master PMG Kitchen family here in Bahrain.
Bahrain! Yes,
Yeah.
after the training, this is our dinner. So we have options like this, live barbecue, and then inside we have food as well. So join us here in Salad Master para ma-experience yun din. Swimming pool, city view in K Hotel. Then barbecue. Look at the view. This is our venue for our Salad Master training here in Bahrain. Sila sa loob. Woohoo!
Wala na, bukod ko sabi ko lang chat na.
Let's really focus for the next 90 days. Let's set some boundaries, let's set some goals and focus. Let's have a great push month. Let's achieve our goals. Let's be winners. And thank you again, Naz. Much appreciated. Thank you.
About PMG Kitchen, Arabic sweet song because she doesn't eat date. She doesn't eat date.
You know what? That is so good because I really don't imagine if you guys. I would have taken it, but thank you so much.
We always bought you dates.
Yeah.
Is it? I'm glad you did
But
it.
let's do it chocolate. Chocolate. Yeah. Okay, we'll give you pachi mo. Pachi.
Yeah, thank you.
We'll send it to Mariam. Then I'll give it to you to Riyadh.
Oh,
Yeah.
chocolates I eat. I shouldn't, but I do.
Pachi. Pachi. Ako mas pachi.
Pachi, yeah.
Why you don't like
Oh my God. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.